Student, in this video you are going to understand about electrical power. Electrical power. Power consumed by an electrical device is said to be electrical power. We all know the formula of power is equals to work by time. Here we can use at the place of work energy. So power is equals to energy upon time. This is said to be electrical power. If energy is electrical, the electrical energy divided by time is said to be electrical power. We know that electrical energy formula, energy E equals to VIT, which is equals to I square RT, which is equals to V square upon R into T. This is said to be equation 1, this is equation 2. Equation 2 give you about electrical energy. Divide equation 1 by time t. We get electrical energy by time t is equals to Vi, because t will cancel. This is we get I square R, because t is again cancel. We get V square by R. E by T is power from equation 1. Using equation 1, you can say that power P, electrical power, equals to Vi is equals to I square R is equals to V square upon R. This is the expression for electrical power. SI unit of electrical power is watt. SI unit of electrical power is watt, symbolized by capital W. Commercial unit of electrical power is horsepower, HP, horsepower. 1 HP is equals to 746 watt. Memorize this, 1 horsepower equals to 746 watt. Let us see a very nice numerical which many times come in the board examination as well as competitive examinations such as NEET exam, JEE exam. Let us see a numerical. Numerical is, I am giving you two bulb. I am giving you two bulb here. This is bulb 1. This is bulb 2. Connect these two bulbs with a potential source. Let the potential V equals to 200 volt. Here bulb 1 is rated 22 watt, 220 volt. This is bulb 1. And bulb 2 is rated 44 watt, 220 volt. Current I will flow to both the bulb because they are in series. Then the question will, which bulb will glow more? If two bulbs of different wattage are connected across same potential in series, then which bulb will glow more? For solving this, we have the basic formula, power P is equals to V square upon R. So from here you can write resistance R equals to V square upon P. For B1 bulb, you have R1 resistance. R1 resistance is equals to V square V1 by P1. So what is V1? V1 is 220 volt. To write here 220 into 220 square, because it is square, so 220 will repeat 2 times. It is 2 will be repeated. What is P1? P1 is 22. 22, here we have 10, so the answer come out to be 2200 ohm. For B2 bulb, you have R2 equals to V2 square upon P2. Now V2 is again same, it is 220 here rated. So 220 into 220, because there is a square. What is P? P is 44. 22 divided 10, 22, here we have 2, 2 divided 11, 0. This is 1100, 1100 ohm. From these two equations R1 and R2, it is very clear that R1 is greater than R2. Now these two bulbs have common term is I. So when we calculate the power, we have to use the formula for I, that is I square R. So we know power P equals to I square R. This means that P is proportional to R in the case of I constant. Since I is constant here for both bulb, we have seen that R1 is greater than R2. Since R1 is greater than R2, therefore according to this P proportional R, you are writing P1 is greater than P2. This means that P1, the less wattage bulb will glow more than more wattage bulb when they are connected in series. When two bulbs are connected in series, then the bulb having less number of wattage will glow more. They will brighter than the more wattage bulb. I am changing the question by connecting these two bulbs in parallel. Now let us connect these two bulbs in parallel. Let's connect these two bulbs in parallel. This is a parallel connection. Here this is B2 bulb. This is again B2 bulb is rated again 44 watt, 220 volt, and they are connected to a common potential which is 200 volt is the potential here. Now in this diagram what you are saying? You are saying that current here is I1 and current here is I2, but potential V is same for both the cases. So in this situation also, we use power P equals to V square by R, R equals to V square by P. For bulb B1, R1 equals to V1 by P1. This is V1. This is V1. 220 volt is V1. This is V1. And this is P1. In the same way, this is V2 and this is P2. Put here V2 and P2, you calculate, you again get 1100 ohm, and here you get 2200 ohm. So R1 is greater than R2. But in this case, the common term is V. V is constant. V is constant. So in this situation, we use the formula for power P equals to V square by R. V square by R. When V is constant, then P is proportional to 1 by R, or this means that R is proportional to 1 by P. Since we get R1 is greater than R2, R1 is greater than R2, this implies that at the place of R1 you write 1 by P1, and at the place of R2 you write 1 by P2. From here you get P2 is greater than P1. This means that bulb P2 will glow more as compared to bulb P1. This is bulb P2, second bulb, 44 watt. 44 watt. When bulb are connected in parallel, then more wattage bulb will brighter than less wattage bulb. But when bulb are connected in series, then less wattage bulb is brighter than more wattage bulb. Thus, if you are understanding physics from my video, then you must subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new notification of my video. Thank you.